Oftentimes what would happen when I used to meet with people live, and we still get this now at the Marriage Foundation, when people come to us to take our online course, we have them fill out a form, or they buy the books and they just want to say something to one of our counselors, which is a free service, and they'll go, we've grown apart. We just don't have the same dreams that we used to have together. We don't share the same dreams. And people are very, how shall I say this? They're very concerned that this is an indication that their marriage isn't going to last. It's scary, actually. So I want to assure you that, number one, the dreams that you have together that are not dreams of connectivity of the two of you are going to change from time to time. And sometimes they will be in sync, and sometimes they will be so far apart that you'll go, what am I doing here? The ones that are far apart are a reminder to you to focus on that which is important in your marriage, which is the connection between you as souls. Remember, you're soulmates. And we're not taught this. There's so much that's not taught. In fact, nothing is taught in marriage. We learn to be married by watching TV programs and movies, and we read these silly articles in the magazines. But what is really important is that connection of love, which is silent. It's often expressed in manifested ways about how we could do this together, do that together, but it's not as important as the feeling here in the heart. And so if you cultivate that love that you have, and again, we're not taught that we're supposed to, but we're supposed to cultivate our love for one another. When you cultivate, it's sort of like a clock. It'll come back. Those dreams that you had, you'll sync up again. Don't worry about it. But the number one dream that you really don't want to lose hold of is, this is my soulmate. I chose this person because God set me up. I am set up to love this human being. This is amazing. What a gift you have given me, O Lord. And this is not a religious conversation, by the way. And then what happens is you become so in tune with that person that when they share their dreams and they're nothing like your dreams, you're a very interested, supportive observer of where they're at without feeling any stress that it's not exactly how you're feeling. It's truly much more mature to have that perspective rather than thinking there's some sort of loss. There is no loss. All right. I'm Paul Friedman, and I urge you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it if you want, and leave a comment if you wish. God bless you, and take good care of your husband or your wife, whatever the case may be. God bless you. Hi, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. Been saving marriages since 2001. Now, what can we say about not giving up and not settling? These are two big deals that for your marriage, these are vital concepts. And they boil down to two things that we offer you. One are the books that we have. I have Lessons for a Happy Marriage, which is the first book that I wrote, and Breaking the Cycle. They're both great. Flip a coin as to which one you want. That's for not settling. Those books lay out for you exactly what marriage is all about. The guidelines, the intricacies, delves into communication, all the things about marriage that you need to know. And if your marriage is doing fine, but you just have this little problem here, this little problem there, but it's basically doing fine, don't settle. I promise you this, when you read one of these books, you're going to learn more about marriage than you even knew you didn't know, and it's going to change everything for the better. You will be so grateful that you took my advice and got one of those books. Now, the Don't Give Up, when I began, I was structuring, compiling all the marriage help that people need in order to save their marriage. I was a divorce mediator until 2001, and so I was fortunate that I was accessing a support group for those who were going to get a divorce called Second Saturday in San Diego, California. And so I was able to pull out of those sessions individuals, after I told them that I could help them save their marriage, who were beyond on the verge of getting a divorce. I'm going to say 95 to 98% of the people for whom I got a divorce shouldn't have, didn't need to, had they known what I now know. I took all of that knowledge and I put it into comprehensive courses, one for men and one for women. These courses, your course based on your gender, will bring you from the depth of the swamp that you find yourself in, out of that, into the light, and help you achieve a marriage you never even dreamed possible. That's a promise. Now, what if you're not even married? What if you're going to get married and you're just looking around for marriage advice? In that case, and I actually created this for some friends, we have a premarital course, which is amazing. You'll never have a problem in your marriage. Well, like nobody ever has a problem, but you won't have any killer problems. You'll know how to be married to get the most out of your marriage. What if you're only dating? Then I have a course for you too. This one I actually created for my son, and it is a step-by-step process for you to attract your soulmate, and in the right way. I'm so glad that you found us. Please take advantage of that which we have to offer. We are here to serve you. I'm Paul Friedman. God bless you, and take care.